Find that bird. Ranger, stay close. The white dog is the main dog you gotta watch. And this one. Yeah. She smells one. She smells one! Get ready! Get closer. Get closer. She smells one. Yeah. Ranger! Ranger! Come on! Find that bird. Find that bird, Emma. Alright, follow her. Get closer! You're too far away! Come here! Ranger! 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 Emma, find that bird. Find that bird. Find that bird. Spread out. They smell one. Find that bird. You gotta let the bird go up 10 feet in the air and 20 yards out, or you hit somebody else and it's very dangerous.
Okay.
So you go 10 feet in the air and about 20 yards out before you blow them up. Any closer, you blow them up. Find that bird, Ranger. What? Alright. Keep walking through. Fingers on the safety. Find that bird. She got scent here. Hurry up, get closer. Right. Get close, you're too far away from the white dog. Quickly, she's on point. Ranger! Ranger! Right there, shoot! Shoot! Alright, the dog will get it. Load quickly! Load quickly!
It's pretty far out.
Yeah, so I gotta shoot right away.
Yeah, I had him in front of me. I don't want to shoot over his head.
Yep.
I think I might have hit him when he was...
Yeah, he got winged. Did you get it? What happened? It jammed? Alright, safety reload. Good boy, Ranger. Ranger, bring it here. Emma, Emma, Emma. No. Ranger, come on. Ranger, Emma. No. Ranger, come on. And Ranger. Good boy. Good boy. Good boy. Good girl. Emma. No. Alright. Everybody's loaded. Safety's on. Alright, continue hunting. Yeah, it's very fast and furious.
You're right.
What?
I was running to try and get next.
Yeah, it's a running gun battle. Yeah. Like the 7.5. Good old days. No, you gotta let it go up 10 feet up, 20 yards out. Find that bird, Emma. Find that bird. He smells one. Watch him, watch him. He smells one. Right there. Watch him, watch him. Right there, shoot! Shoot! Nice shot! Beautiful. Safety reload, quickly. One of you guys.
Fucking around now.
Everybody back each other up. That's all that matters. Reload quickly. Emma! Ranger! Huh? Come on. Bring it here. Bring it here, Ranger. Good boy. Alright, guys. Let's go this way. I want 2 guys outside that field there to cover the escape routes. 2 guys on this side. Emma! You stay with me. Come on, Ranger, find that bird. Jake, go find that bird. Emma. Find that bird. Come on, Ranger, go find that bird. She on point?
Yeah.
Alright, go over there. Get closer. She's on point. Alright. Get ready. Shoot! Wait! Now! Shoot it! What are you waiting for? Shoot it off the tree! Nice! Safety. Safety reload. Alright. Reload quickly. Get that bird, Ranger. Bring it here.
I don't want to shoot too close.
No.
I don't want to shoot that either.
No. That was high. Good boy, Ranger. Emma. Ranger. Good boy. Ranger, come on. Good boy. Give me my bird. Yeah. Did you reload?
What?
Did you reload?
No.
No, you gotta load immediately. More brothers can get up, you're gonna be caught with your dick in your hand. No ammo.
I got 20 more rounds.
What?
I still got 20 more rounds.
Yeah, we gotta have them in the gun.
Yeah.
They're useless out of the gun. What happens when 3 or 4 brothers get up at once?
Yeah.
Very exciting.
I can't believe how the dogs literally have to rip them out. Like they hide in the
Oh yeah, they don't want to die.
So close, yeah.
Of course. Now without dogs, we're doing nothing. This is all with dogs.
Yeah, no, we definitely wouldn't find shit.
Without professional dogs, these birds let you walk right by them. You never know they're there.
I was right on top of them.
Yeah. Find that bird, girl. Find that bird. Male.
How can you tell?
They're red. The females are brown, camouflage, to hide the nest. Let's continue hunting this way. Brian. Brian.